I think at the very beginning, one should perhaps consider AI as representing augmented intelligence rather than artificial intelligence. And I think this is important because right now, what we want is for the artificial intelligence technologies to help with decision making and processes of care. So when we have artificial intelligence, it will allow us to process a lot of information at the same time, take in data from multiple sources, providing analytics to enhance our decision making, avoiding medical errors, and ultimately make the clinic visit a lot more efficient. The first is that patient care may be compromised. The second is that there may be unequal access to care by different segments of the population. Patient care can be compromised because the programming behind an AI engine is really dependent on who owns the engine. And of course, we can imagine that if a payer or an employer owns the engine, the various rules can be tweaked, and that may not necessarily be in the best interest of the patient. The second risk is that of unequal access to care. I think we can imagine that if you have an AI machine that is programmed by an employer, a healthcare insurer, a payer, that there may be unequal access to care depending on the resources of the patient. So I would say that these two are the major risks that would be faced if we are not careful about deploying AI in our society.